everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Hey, today we have singles swag for December. Yay! Let's see what they have in store so we can love ourselves. Of course, it says hashtag love yourself. So that is their logo. This is a box that comes monthly. It's $39.99 a month. You can get it for less if you do, I guess, like annual 12-month, 3-month subscriptions. It always comes like this when you open it up. They've got it wrapped in their black paper. And we always have a product card. And this is a pamper yourself style box. It's going to have 6 to 8 items in it that's going to range from beauty to jewelry to maybe something wearable, maybe like some skincare. So it's a variety of self-pampering type items. And it's always fun to get the single swag, and you don't have to be single to enjoy this. It says, put yourself at the top of your priority list every single day. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. And we are going to start off with this box and see what we have. We'll have like a little sneak peek here. And I don't know if I can get these in the order or not. The first item is Empower Beauty. Well, it's Empower Beauty, and it's a hydrating foot lotion. Your feet need love too, so treat them with an ultimate hydration. Apply lotion to clean feet and rub in a circular motion from the tips of your toe to the heel. Repeat as necessary, and this has a retail value of $32. And I'll have to tell you guys, I use foot cream on my feet every day. And if you don't, you probably should start. When you get older, your feet, I don't know how, but they lose their moisture. And even when you're younger, they can be dry and cracked. And just simply putting on lotion, or a good cream on your feet every day will help. And if you add some socks on there to like, I guess, wrap the moisture and let it absorb in, the better. But this is what this looks like. It's a nice little pink bottle, and I'll be keeping this, I'm sure, because I use foot cream like I just told y'all every day. It has a nice scent to it, so that'll be enjoyable. Might as well keep it out of the box because I'm going to use it. Our next item is Truffle Cosmetics, and that is this. And it's a soft swirl overnight hydrating face mask. This has a value of $48. This is a supercharged moisturizer infused with real fruit and nutrients such as grapefruit, granadilla, and avocado butter. Helps to refine pores, nourishing plump skin without irritating it. Vegan, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. Well, that sounds pretty interesting. I might be interested in that as well. Our next item is from Banter Beauty. It's a lavender and flaxseed eye smoother. This has a $24 value, and this is a calming, restorative eye pillow. Provides spa-like experience at home or on the go. This aromatic lavender and flaxseed work to depuff, de-stress, rejuvenate your eyes and your mind. Apply as is or cool in the refrigerator to relieve tired and puffy eyes. Well, that sounds interesting. I like going to the spa, and that's what it looks like. And it does smell good. So something else I'll enjoy using. Every once in a while I do wake up with puffy eyes. And that had a $24 value. Now our next item is a premium European milk chocolate bar. Whoa! Well, we're going to love that. Look at that. Yum! I love chocolate. This is a Choco premium European milk chocolate bar. It has a value of $5. Indulge in this delectable premium chocolate bar prepared with high-quality cocoa beans and extra cocoa butter for balance and texture. That sounds delicious. I love chocolate. I like dark chocolate better, I will say that. That had the $5 value. Our next item is a Demi silver necklace earring set. And that must be in this box by Gemma Simone. And let's see what they have in store for us. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Every once in a while, you just need something with a touch of black. With certain outfits that you have and you don't want to overdo, you just want a subtle look, that'd be perfect. So that's very pretty on a silver chain. Very nice. I like that. I'll definitely wear that one. And that has a $52 value. Our next item is a Dr. Botanicals Coffee and Walnut Superfood Renewing Facial Exfoliator. This has a $22 value. This is gentle, yet effective formula is packed with a cocktail of anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin-smoothing fruit extracts that buff away dead skin cells and reveal a soft, radiant complexion, leaving behind a soft, smooth, and glowy feeling, vegan, natural, and cruelty-free. Well, I'm sitting there showing y'all the wrong side. Guess I'm giving y'all all the facts. Here's the front of the box, okay? Did you have fun reading all the facts? Alright guys, this here has a $22 value, and it's another great product. Our next item is a Truffle Cosmetics. Cosmetics. It's a Euphora Blush. It has a $14 value. This super soft luminous blush full of true to pan pigments let you layer on a rapturous glow and no fallout or chalkiness. Vegan and cruelty-free, talc-free, and paraben-free. Well, let's see what color it is. It says join the tribe. And let's see what this blush looks like. I do like a good blush. Alright, finally, Euphora Blush. Look at that. It's got like a little hot air balloon on there. Isn't that cute? That's kind of a peachy bronze color. So that's probably something I could use. It'd be a shame to have to brush away the little balloon there, but that's what'll happen. Once you start using it, it'll be going bye-bye. So far, I'm loving this box. And that was a $14 value. Our next item is a 2022 planner and calendar by Molly Jacob. 2022, the best is yet to come. It's kind of a good purse size. 2022 is almost here and the best is yet to come. Stay organized and keep track of all your activities and important dates with this planner, featuring monthly overview pages and 2 lined papers behind each month for additional notes. Produced with high-quality, weighted paper, throw this planner in your handbag and keep it on your desk or at home or at the office and use every day. Well, I may end up using this. I got it open without ripping it apart. Oh, it's a nice like vinyl, so it's not paper. I thought it was going to be kind of flimsy. But here we go. We have April right there. And then like it said, behind each page we have notes. So if you need to write notes, you can put them in there. I can see that this could come in real handy. This is a nice little planner, and it is small enough to fit in most purse. I mean, it's not going to fit in a Crosby, but it should fit in most purse. So that's really nice, and that has a $24 value. I'm not sure that I'd pay $24 for it, but that's what they're saying the value is. Let's have a recap. In the single swag, we had the 2022 planner, we had some blush, we had our Dr. CF Coffee and Walnut Superfood Renewing Facial Exfoliator, we had our jewelry, we had our foot lotion, we had our delicious chocolate bar, and we had our eye pillow for puffiness, and we had our moisturizer. So I think this was a great value. Overall, this has a retail value of $221, and again, I paid $39.99. So, and I could have paid a little bit less because I do buy it in a 3 or 6 month subscription, but that's about what it costs. And it says if you shop their market right now at singleswags.com/shop, everything is 50% off retail. So if you have an account, or maybe you can go to singleswag.com/shop and be able to buy without being a member, I'm not sure. But you can try that out. If you haven't considered Single Swag, I would recommend it. I think it's a great box. Now, when you put things in reality, is it $221 worth of value? Well, some of these products did cost this much, probably. But I always kind of half it. And even if you say it's $110, I still got my $39.99 value. Now, I have one more thing I want to open up, and it's Earfleek. And this says, life's too short to have boring style. So let's just open this up. It always comes in this little packet every month, and inside the packet is their hot pink packaging, and then inside the hot pink packaging is the earrings that I get this month. This is a monthly subscription. It's $20 for 6 months, and I get a pair of earrings every month. And this month it looks like I have some little drop pearls. Isn't that pretty? So I like those. I need classic little pearl drops for a couple of my necklaces, and I do have some cultured pearls. I'm not sure that I'd want to wear these with that, but I might. I mean, nobody's going to know. They don't even know if they're cultured pearls. I mean, everything looks so real these days, so who knows, right? But that was my Earfleek, and I love them. So I could even wear that with my new necklace. Maybe not. That had the black. But if I was wearing black and white, that might be a nice little combo. But hey guys, this is my single swag for December. Earfleek is for November. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you have a favorite? Do you use foot cream on your feet every day? I highly recommend doing that. Would you use an eye pillow? I'm certainly going to try it. And the jewelry was really pretty. I'm sure I'll be wearing that at some point. But that's all I have today. I am so excited to let you know that I do have more unboxings coming up. I will be having some surprise giveaways in some of these unboxings. And I have some decor boxes coming up. I've got habitation box on the way. I've got the delicious cookies on the way from the Blackout Baking Company. I have an Estee Lauder Blockbuster beauty box I want to open up for you. I also have decor steals on the way. And I have Oceanista and Beachly coming. I don't know when those will exactly arrive, but we'll get them to you as soon as we can. And we also are going to have another collaboration of the All True Crazy Train, but I'm thinking that's going to be after Christmas. So, but, you know, keep a lookout. You just never know. As for today, this is all we have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.